All right. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Pancake, and most times using Pancake can be a lot of headache, and that's to swap to your desired coin. That's the coin of your choice. So, but in most cases, it's just pretty easy. It's just a little twist around it for you to really get things right. And most times, while using Pancake, they tend to in fact, let's say a few days ago, I tried using it most times. Even when the transaction is not completed, they'll still charge you. They still charge you, and if you try multiple times, they keep charging you as the transaction becomes more and more unsuccessful. So most person goes to Pancake and they can't find the desired coin that they want to buy. So in this video also, I'm going to show you how to locate the coin that you want to buy on Pancake and be able to buy it successfully. So if you love crypto, if you are into crypto, if you invest into crypto and you're watching this video right now, please do well to subscribe to my channel. I have more amazing contents coming your way, and I'm going to be making video on things like this to help you, get across or get some, over some houses. So if you still have issues doing that, all right. If you still have issue buying some specific coins on Pancake, you can send me an email, or yeah, you can send me an email and let me know the particular coin. I could show you how to switch, or I could switch it with you, or maybe sell it with you. Okay. So let's just dive right into the video. Okay. How to use pancakeswap? Pancakeswap is very easy to use, and but sometimes it can have some kind of complication, and you have to try to uh, maneuver something to get over the complication. It is very easy to swap BNB smart chain BNB to other coins, but sometimes swapping other coins to BNB smart chain can prove particular coin. So what I've done right now is I've gotten the contract ID of this coin. Contract ID, if you don't know how to get contract ID, just go to BScan and search the coin, or go to Coin Market Cap and then check out for the coin contract ID. Contract ID is just like an identity of the coin that you can use to find the coin within the block, the particular Clan network. So let's look at the contract ID of this coin here. All right, I think my recorder is on it. That's it here. I just copied it. So I have to go back and then click here. Then I click on my trust wallet. I have to click on DApp and then click on swap. All right, I've used this swap option a lot. So you can see I have some BNB left there that can still be swapped and I can still use up. But what I have to do here, I want to swap another coin, and I want to swap some pick token to this coin. So I want to swap it. What's the name of this coin I want to swap to? I have to put in the name right here, put it in, and then how many I want to swap 10 billions of this coin. And pick token, if you don't know about pick token, I've made video about pick token, and this coin I'm going to review it later because I see potential I need to. So let me swap it one. So 10 billion of that coin. So click on swap and then accept new condition, then swap. Most times it gives error like this. All right, so all I have to do in most cases is go back and then remove the last zero, then add it back, and then click here again, then click on swap. It still gives the same error, so I have to exchange that. So that's some issue that pancake swap can give to someone while trying to swap. Okay, so most times one had to try this multiple times before it finally works out. So most times what I have to do is come down here and click on the old version, because the old version seems to be a bit seamless. And you see the statement here, it says I understand that VI is no longer supported and I may experience significant slippage resulting in lost capital. All right, whether it's old version or new version, on this pancake, one kind of loses some money anyway, because when you try to swap a coin and then the coin, at the end of the day, you couldn't swap it successfully, Pancake still get to deduct the amount that they chose that they took as transaction fee. So let's 10, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 10 billion swap. Still giving the same error. All right. So most cases, you see, maybe those two coins doesn't really agree. So let's choose this one. Let's choose BNB. You see that BNB will just go. So if oh, it's really much. This coin, the amount is not that much. So what I have to do here is I have to come back. I see the coin is actually $2 right now. So I'm swapping 10 billion. Okay, the page will reload. All right. So I'll go to the version 2. I don't want that excessive slippage around there. So I'm swapping to this coin, paste the contract ID. Okay, it's already there. All right. And most times, so let me go back. So here we are. I said 10 billion, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 10 billion. Yo, I want to become a billionaire. So, wow, 10 billion of this coin is giving me $8.62. I thought initially it was wrong. So what I'll do here is I'll go here and check 10 billion is actually $3 right here. Okay, I have to refresh this page right. Okay, then converter. So I have to copy directly like that. Come back here. Thought I copied something. Alright, come back here. Paste. Oh, it's not working. So in most cases, what I have to do is I'll just come here. If it's given that issue, I'll come to BNB. Just go BNB, search BNB, then the particular amount I want to put in, let's say $3. All right, copy it. All right, so it makes things easier that way. Paste in my $3. So $3 of these coins gives me 3 billion. Okay, I think the slippage on this page is really high, and I mean the percentage they are charging is really high. Or it seems they are not working in line with the market, because look at $3 is giving me, meanwhile, about a billion copy of this coin is is uh is just $3. So most times it's, if the coin is really on a very good standing on the market as at the moment, then it's that this may occur. You can look at it here, okay, you see it here. It's 72% as we speak. So um I still want to swap it, all right, but I would have loved to swap it with pick token. So I might still stick to BNB. because it's the only coin that will accept this right now. And you'll see this. Okay, 10 billion of this coin right now is this amount. So swap successful. Refresh. See that? So this been is now 19 billion, all right, and which means what just got in here is just $2.3. The rest were taken by pancakeswap. I don't know why. Yeah, this slippage is a bit high. So let me just give you a summary of what we have done, step by step of what we have done. So let's say you want to buy a new coin. You go to market cap, coin market cap, search for the coin, and then look for the coin contract ID, and that's if the coin is not a popular coin that is. So you go copy. That's the contract ID that you're looking at right there. You copy it. If you're adding on MetaMask, you can see MetaMask icon there. But for Trust Wallet, you can see the contract ID right there. I'm taking Dodge for instance. You copy the contract ID. All right. So so what you need to do is go to your wallet, search, copy, paste the contract ID there, and search for the coin. So by now you have copied the contract ID and then paste it there, add it up. Then the next thing is you go to the DEX option that you're seeing there. I mean, the DAP option that you're seeing there. Click on Pancake. If not Pancake, then you can just browse it and then paste the contract ID here and search for the to add the coin up, and then you can now swap it to BNB. You can now swap the coin BNB to that coin. Thank you.